Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna keep it short and sweet. We got some more paint. Got a couple more cans. There is some areas in the back of the frame that we need to kind of go over again, but I think we're gonna keep it mainly to top of the frame rails. We do have a little more, I guess, tacks to put in on the transmission mount brace. We'll do that the best we can and make it look as good as we can, but everything else I'm pretty happy with how the welds look. So basically painting and a little bit of welding today. I take that back. There's a couple spots we need to grind down just a hair, and we'll get those taken care of, and then we'll paint and weld, or weld and paint. Let me turn you around here and kind of see what we're gonna work with today. So we're gonna paint the top sides, leave the bottom for when we lift the front up. But we're gonna come in here and get these knocked down a little bit better. And right here a little bit better. And we're gonna put some weld right here and right here. And that's about all we're gonna get done today because it's already late and I just wanna get some paint down on this. Kind of go over again, get all the surface rust off, and then we're almost there. Probably disconnect the shocks and the leaf spring and these arms here, lift it up. Probably could use some more welding in there, I'm not sure. Anyways, we'll look at all that, but we do need to get the underneath of it once we do that, and these braces here, you can see right there. But since it's such a nice day out, it's not too hot in here, got plenty of space on my camera, I may let it run for like old time's sake and kind of see how that does. If y'all can, please stay to the end of the video. It does give me more watch time, and that helps my videos kind of get out there further. We're real close to 1,000. I think we're 883, and 1,000 is a real big milestone for any channel on YouTube. Hear my dog barking. So we're almost there. I'm thinking about doing another giveaway. Anyways, do it like old times. Set y'all up, and we'll just let it run and see how far we get. But let's get to work. All right, we got it welded and spots ground down some. I think what we're gonna do now is gonna kind of go over it one more time with some sanding, and then hit it with some dog barking again, with some cleaner, and then we'll be ready to paint. Let me turn you around and you can see my awesome welds. Hey, we got this kind of welded up now, and this in here. It's not good, but I hope it stays. It'd be awesome for my transmission not to fall out. I think the welds they got will hold it just fine, but I just wanted some reassurance. And went ahead and ground down the welds a little bit just to make them not so bumpy. But I think now what we're going to do is going to kind of sand these rails down again with some steel wool, and then go over them with some cleaner, and then be ready to paint. We'll have approximately 2/3 of this done. So let's get busy and get some paint on it right quick. Alright, we got it cleaned up. I think it's ready for some paint. I'm going to turn on these two fans and that one and try to blow all the fumes out that way. But hopefully here, in a few minutes, see this frame almost all the way painted. Except for the very front and the arms and stuff, but we'll get into that later. But anyways, let's get some paint on this right quick and see what it looks like. Alright, and we got it painted. I think it looks alright. Definitely a lot better than just a bare metal frame. But let me flip you around here and we'll take a closer look at it. I don't think it looks too bad. I mean, welds could look a lot better, but I'm just want to make sure they're secure enough to hold everything. I'm not looking for a show quality hot rod here. Just want something fun to drive. That looks kind of neat. I think this is a vehicle for that. So we got the everything painted. Gonna have to paint these very insides when it's up because I can't really get in there. Going down with a can, I need to be up underneath. But I think it's turned out to be pretty neat looking. We'll of course get that plate, paint it, and put it back in there. Those bolts, probably just clean those off best I can and just put them in there. I don't think I'll paint them, but it's starting to turn out pretty good. I think it'll look a whole lot better once this up here is all finished out and painted. I do have some welds we might try to get to, but maybe not. I don't know. Might just ground them down. Probably get these right there. You can't really tell. It's kind of dark. But there's some, see, put my fingernail in there, so I'll probably get that. But I think it'd be pretty neat. Next time, take the front end apart. Take the U-bolts for leaf spring off. And I think she'll be banded. Doesn't look like they are. We'll take them off carefully. I thought these have a band on them, but I don't think they do. So, oh, it says right here. It's a screw in them. So when we take it off, we'll have to put that back in there. Might put some rust plaster on that. Or I guess, yeah, we'll have to, because this has to come apart from this in order to work on all this up here. Without this, and all this, so I could just take it off there and then leave the leaf springs on it, but I don't think I will. We'll put some PB Blaster on that, and then next time we'll start sanding and getting all this knocked down and painted. I think I'm on the fence about painting these. I don't know if I should or not. The motor mounts, we'll see when we get there. Yep, a little more done this week, and slowly getting it. Didn't realize that Robbers Cave was yesterday, which is be Saturday. Today's Sunday, and had some prior obligations. I thought it was next weekend, but so unfortunately I missed it. If y'all were there and looked for me, I'm sorry about that. I will be taking this to a car show next year for sure. This has now become a winter project, so hopefully by springtime we'll have this all figured out and cab back on it, and hopefully fired up and running. But we still got a lot of work to do. Brake lines, fuel lines, wiring harness put in it. So there's plenty to keep us busy throughout the winter months, and being so small, it's a perfect winter project. Yeah, next time we'll work on the front end, get separated, ground down, welded up and painted, and then we'll start by lifting it up and getting underneath everything. Once we do that, then we can probably start painting all the arms and the front end suspension parts, getting all that nice and neat. And then we'll start running probably brake lines and fuel lines. Need to fix the fuel tank and get those started going in the right direction. We need to do something with the bed. Need to mark out where we put our tail lights, because we got to run wires to those. But it's a lot to do. But anyways, yeah, next time we'll continue on. We almost got the frame painted, which is awesome. Actually got it painted a lot quicker than I think I would. Not as quick as I like, because I like to have this at Robbers Cave yesterday. So anyways, regardless, we'll be working on this in the near future, getting it together, and once we have it together, then we'll jump back on the Bronco. Haven't forgot about the Bronco. Really want to get back to it, but I really want to get this done so I can enjoy it next year while we're still working on this, and not have two things sitting in here at one time. But if you made it this far, thank you for watching all the way through. It does really help the channel out a lot, and does help me out a lot. Like I said, we're getting close to 1,000, and the longer you watch, the more watch time I get. And I think right now I'm at about half of the watch hours I need in order to get monetized. So the longer people watch, the better. I'm going to try to make better content to keep y'all's attention more, and keep y'all hanging around a little bit longer. But let me know if you like the style better than what I have been doing. That's kind of backed how I originally done it, you know, time lapse, working on it and breaking in every now and then. If y'all like that better, let me know. Or do you like just kind of seeing it done already, the video's not being so long? Anyways, thank y'all for watching, and like I said, we'll be back on this and just keep on pushing forward. Hopefully we'll get it before next year. Anyways, thank you again, and I'll see you next time.